they were as good as us in the West Philippine Sea. You 45 billion chopsticks a year. As a Republican country, it is said that even Great Britain has forbidden China without government approval. The world being small in China, but 99% empty, and Facebook and Twitter are blocked in China. China is presented to us by John Ryan Purwell. It is a country in northeastern Asia and occupies the southeastern portion of Korea Peninsula, especially known as the Republic of Korea. South Korea is bounded to the north by North Korea and the east of the East Sea. South Korea is presented to us by Rika Terwell.